Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Budget Wednesday. I'm your host, Chef Kirk. Ain't no Budget Wednesday we like to do. We like to go through these cabinets and this refrigerator and create a tasty meal for you. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so on this episode of Budget Wednesday, you know it's our holiday special. You know it's going to be great. This is week number 2, episode number 2. You know how we get down. I'm so excited because guess what I get to do? I get to take you to Jamaica once again to show you guys how we get down in this festival time. Because guess what I'm going to make for y'all today? Some festival! Oh my god, I can't wait for y'all to try this bad boy. It's going to be delicious. So on this episode of Budget Wednesday, holiday special number 2, we're making Jamaican festival. Hey,
the Christmas
festival.
tree.
Hey. Alright, so listen, I already rated the cabinets already, so you don't have to worry about it. I already rated the fridge already, so you have to worry about that. So what I'm going to do right now is show you guys the simple ingredients that we got for this week, okay? So to start off our festival, all we need is some flour. So we're going to use some spelt flour here. Then over here we have some baking powder. This is the biggest can of baking powder I ever seen in my life, but because I do a lot of cooking, you know. Anyways, and then of course we have some sugar. I like to use cane sugar. All right, you can't use any sugar you want, but I like cane sugar. All right, and of course you can't have festival without some cornmeal. All right, some nice delicious cornmeal because that's gonna make our color. That's gonna get our consistency nice and done. And of course we have a little bit of pink salt, nice. And then we have some vanilla extract. All right, so that's it. That's all we need. We don't really need anything else. And then of course we'll have some nice things on the side for you guys after that. All right, so stay tuned as we get down in the kitchen.
Tell me what you want for Christmas, baby. What you want for Christmas? Sit on me like we a wish list. Put it on me like that. Holiday in Jamaica.
Holiday in Jamaica. Nice time, holiday, the right time. On the rock, feel the vibe, sipping my tie. With the road every night, pepper light bright. Make a flex, now me ride, I can be your tour guide. Jamaica Christmas, everything nice. Fried chicken, curry gravy with the white rice. Y'all a bubble body, ever look tight. Pure light us up in the sky.
Tell me what you want for Christmas, baby. What you want for Christmas? Sit on me like we a wish list. Put it on me like that. A vicious bag and shoes, big baguettes and a BMW. Expensive, request my trouble you until she turn around and show that bubble. Ooh, I tell her, baby, put the lights on the palm tree. Chronic leaf, mistletoe, baby, kiss me. Then come sit up on my lap and let me know if you're naughty, if you're nice, me prefer naughty though. Bad girl, she won't be tame. Half naked, no shame, no game, she no want no lame. She don't want it if it ain't brand name. Anything that you want, my baby, let me know, you know the dog go crazy. Turn around and make a jiggle for me and see what you get under your Christmas tree. Yeah. Tell me what you want for Christmas, baby. What you want for Christmas? Sit on me like we a wish list. Put it on me like a holiday in Jamaica.
Holiday in Jamaica. Under the Christmas tree. She get her under the Christmas tree. Yeah. Bumper bigger than a street party. We sitting buff up in a red pant. I wear the keys for the Jeep.
All right. Our finished meal is here. Listen, people, I'm not in this whole long talking. I can't wait to get into these festivals. So let me try these bad boys real quick. See how it is. Give me a second. Man, I'm not even going to put that down. Hold on 1 second. Oh, I made some fish to go with it. So this is how Jamaican technically do it. My mama's make this for me. This is how she hooked me up. Some piece of fish. Ooh, yeah. Some pepper. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Spicy. You know what it's missing? You know what it's missing? One thing it's missing. Put some jerk by it. Put some jerk by it. Oh, yeah. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to put some jerk on the first festival. Not too much, a little bit. All right. So let me just. You know what? Oh, my God. Get some more fish with that. That's so good. That's so good. Let me tell you. Just sauce. Vegetable. Delicious. Week number 2 of my holiday special. I hope you guys enjoy watching me making this meal because it was delicious. I can't wait for you guys to try this. My bad, I got food in my mouth. And I'm going in. I'm like slapping when I'm talking to y'all. But anyways, guys, this is week number 2 of my holiday special. And I'm going in for y'all right now. I'm going in. I'm showing in. I'm showing out. All right. And I hope you guys enjoy me making these recipes for you. And I hope you guys try them because they're real simple. Like I said, I'm making all the simple meals that I like to share with my family around the holidays and like to eat around the holidays. You know what I mean? So right now, the festival's popping. The fish is on point. You know, the mango jerk sauce is on point. I'm about to go in like Flynn. Anyways, guys, thank you guys for watching another episode of Budget Wednesday. And of course, you know what I mean? Don't forget to follow, subscribe, share, and like and comment. And if you haven't watched any of my videos yet, come on, what are you doing? Go back and watch there's one right here. Matter of fact, I think there's one like rolling across here. Get one of them, click on one of them, have fun, enjoy your holidays, make some crazy meals with your boy. I'm about to go back into this plate right quick. I'm about to do this up right quick. Happy holidays. See y'all on week number 3. Peace.